To change the alarm settings on your ARA-X4, first open the ARA-X software and log in as admin. You'll see Admin confirmed here. Select the ARA-X4 tab at the top of the screen. Then, in the left-hand menu, select the COM port and click the Read button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the most recent information from the ARA-X4 device. Select the Sensor Configuration tab and choose the sensor you want to adjust. Then, update the high alarm and low alarm values. You can either type these in manually or use the arrows. When you're finished, click Write to send the new alarm set points to the device. Repeat this for any other sensors before disconnecting the device.